Hey, look, y'all. Now, this thing ain't sitting on its frame, but this frame will be low to the ground. But look, I'm taller than this car. That's what I like. I like to be taller than the car. That don't happen very often. I sure wish my old buddy I got this from could see it. He passed away right before I got it. After we had made the deal on it. He didn't even tell his wife what the deal was. Just said, tell Clint, he'll treat you right. Them bad apples done drug up another one, look at here. Shelly trying to claim this one. Look at there. 1930 model coupe. Oh yeah. Just one bad apple and a huge beam. That beam is going up there, across to there. It is. One way or another, I don't know how. No, I don't know. But I will. Gotta try. Well, we got this far. That's how high it's gonna be up. So that's gonna sit right there on that corner. See the hole cut out in the plywood? It's gonna sit right on that corner. And then this beam's gonna sit on top of it. We're about halfway. Yep. We this far. Well, we got all that braced up. I should hold it. Really ain't holding it up, it just holds it from flipping over. That's good there now. Plus it's got the roof held up. You gotta keep your head up. Just one old man and a woman. And a lift. Try to be safe as you can. The level don't lie. We level. I ain't had to change nothing. All right, we got the beam up. Got the trolley on it. And it just fly across there like a Hot Wheel race car. We got the one leg on it right there. Then right here there'll be like a, kind of like a Y that goes up right there. All right, we here. Now we can do something. We ready now? I gotta get the electric one over there. See, that's one of them 4-5 people lifts right there. But you ain't got 4 or 5 people, you just got you and you broke down. That's all you got though. Gotta make it happen. I don't know, but if I was a betting man, I'd say that would get it right there. I'd be able to bolt my running boards right back on. Yep. Look at that. Just saying. That might be all right, I'm thinking. We tired. Me and old Jasper, we put all these jigs on it. So you just clamp to it. You watch out how these boys where they can do it when they're 12. You set it up where they can do it. And we got these corners like that. Got to cut up a few pieces to get right. I've tried it 2 or 3 times, but now I'm happy.